Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 16 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create this wall right here, and also we added this pergola at the back for the swimming pool part. Now we're gonna continue working on this, and the one thing that I want to do is to add in our grass part right here. So let's go to ground, and then from here we can also go to site, and then from here we could go to massing and site, and then we're gonna add a topo surface. Click on it, and as you can see, you can change elevation here, you can change the material as well. So let's place those points right now, and we're going to begin placing it at a 0 elevation. And then from here, what we can do is we can increase it a little bit, so at least 20 increase, and then 40 going up, and then 60 here, going back to 20, $100, and then I just want to see it, so let's go to 3D and see how it looks. As you can see, we can change this to a grass material, and because I want to offset this so that it's flush right here, as you can see, it's still at the top of this one. So that's because we offset this not just in. So maybe I need to negative offset this to 600, because that's the way we started in our elevation. So if you know, of course, the site will create it in 0 and then up to the ground. So we need to start it from ground. So we need to put it at negative 600 and going up. So that's easy to do. You just need to go to site again, select this, and edit surface. What you can do is one by one, you can put negative 600 right here into your elevation. And then it will curve it by itself. And we just want it to be good enough, and then to see it, how it corresponds to our site right here. So now at least you can see that it went down, it's not fixated to that spot. We can fix the way it looks. So now it's going up a little bit. We could put this one at 200 now, and then this one maybe 300, and we just need to pull it up. Maybe here we could put 400, and basically we just need to keep on pressing it all the way to the top, and go back to site. We could add more, so place point, let's put at least 400, and then 500, and then 600. Let's put negative, and let's add more right here. Negative 500, negative 400, and then let's look at it. You want to make sure that you have negative 600 on this part so that it connects to our street right here. And definitely we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Let's add a little bit more here. I can just put negative 400, negative 300, negative 600 again here, and the curve is the one that we want to showcase. I'm going to refine this part right here, maybe negative 400 here, or I'm gonna add in a little bit more there. So place point, that's 0 there, and then negative 200, and I just want it to be a little bit nicer with the curve. Especially right here, because I can see that adding this would make it nicer in terms of the look. I just don't want it to be very sharp. That's why I'm adding those things up. And then obviously we're going to clean it up later on. And then let's go to the other side. Let's add in another one. Masking inside, topo surface, and we're going to start with negative 600 from here. And then let's add in gradually negative 500. And then 400, $600 here again, $300 here, 200. And then negative 100. And then we go 0. That's too much there. I don't want it to be crossing, that's why I'm doing it one at a time. And then click finish. And this one is very subtle. There's still a bump, but that's good enough. I'm planning to add a little bit more here. So, and plus I'm going to put grass here. I want the bulk here. So I'm going to go here and then place point. I'm going to put negative 400. And then here 200. I'm planning to just add maybe 100 instead. Or just 0. Then I could just make it bigger. So I think this is good enough because we're going to add grass here and it's uneven. We could put in some stones. So I'm good with this. Now let's do an add at the back. And I really want it to be very high. Something like up here so that the view will look like this. Also, let's put this one to negative, or maybe at the ground 0. Let's put it at 0 level. We could edit this now and just spread it all over there. We could nudge it. Let's not nudge it, so let's just move it all the way right here. And I'm just going to edit this so that we have everything is connecting. There we go. And here as well. So now this one looks good. I'm planning to just add in maybe a sidewalk to make it look nicer. So let's go back to site. So from here we already have around, I believe 600 already is the highest point. So let's go and add from 600 somewhere right here and even across. If it's going over, that's fine, that's our point. 700. $800. I want to see it the way this one goes or lifts. I'm probably going to undo this. Let's undo this because I don't want, I'm just going to start from the bottom, and this is the one at the top portion. Topo surface, I'm gonna put 0 first. I'm gonna start from here. So we have some places that are high and some places that are low. We can even put this one to -400 if that will cover it. So that's fine there. And then in this part we are good, only on this part. And then I'm going to pull it up. $200. $300. $600. $800. $900 here. And then a significant height. $2,000. And then let's put 2,200. $3,000. Significant jump again. I'll put this one at 4,000. $5,000. $7,000. You skip 6,000. And then let's see how it looks. $8,000. And then the view is going to be really good. We're going to have that view right there. Probably one more. 9,000. And then finish. Change it to grass. and click apply. So that's how it looks. So I'm just going to go to the ground and take an image. So we're gonna use this camera, and we're gonna see how this one will look once we have everything. So I'm gonna extend this one so that it could look beyond this. And then there we go. And then let's put it in realistic. At the moment, it's very subtle, the way the increase of the topo surface at the back. But that's good enough for me. And then we could put some trees at the back as well. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.